Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the inCharge 6 portable charging cord. Now this cord is going to be able to charge all of your devices, and the best part is that you will be able to bring it with you anywhere because it has two powerful magnets that will allow it to stay securely on your keychain. Now you might be wondering, what can you actually use this for? And the answer is absolutely everything. You don't have to worry about using any other cords that came with any of your other devices as long as you have this. Now this is a 3-in-1 connector, so all you're going to do is pull it apart and you'll see the lightning connector, which charges your Apple products like your iPhone or iPad, but it also doubles as a micro USB, so it charges your older Androids and even your accessories such as headphones. But the absolutely coolest part about this is it's also a USB-C, which is the latest charging technologies that you're going to start seeing in Apple products and Androids. This will allow you to charge your devices from a power bank, a wall or car adapter, even a computer, and it has charge and sync capability, so it allows you to transfer files back and forth from your devices to your computer. Now they really had future devices in mind when they designed this, so not only are you going to get a normal USB like you're typically used to seeing, but if you pull it apart, you will also get a USB-C, which will allow you to charge your devices from modern laptops and power banks. This will also allow you to transfer power from one compatible phone to another device, such as another phone or accessory like Apple EarPods. Now, what's really cool about this is it really does turn your phone into a power bank, and now you never have to worry about running low on power as long as you have this with you. You will be super impressed by the quality of this charging cord. It has a really nice metal casing, which makes it durable, but the nylon cord is super strong and it's not flimsy like the ones that you might buy in the store. But I also want to mention the powerful magnet that it has, which allows you to securely fit it to your keyring, belt loop, purse, or even your backpack, and you never have to worry about it falling off. Now we have an absolutely fantastic deal on these, and you're definitely going to want to grab more than one, so head on over to our site and grab yours today.